Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Twilio API access using console auth credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Twilio API access using console auth credentials, start by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. On the left sidebar, click on the dashboard option. Here, you'll find your account SID and auth token. Copy the account SID to your clipboard. Next, copy the auth token as well. Now, open a text editor or an integrated development environment. Paste the account SID and auth token into your text editor. At this point, you will need to set up a test environment. If you haven't done so already, install the Twilio SDK for your programming language. For example, if you're using Python, run the command pip install Twilio in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, create a new Python file for testing. In the Python file, import the Twilio client by adding from twilio.rest import client. Now, initialize the Twilio client with your account SID and auth token. Use the following code: client equals client, your underscore account underscore SID, your underscore auth underscore token, dot. Replace your underscore account underscore SID and your underscore auth underscore token with the values you copied earlier. Next, add a simple command to test the API access. For example, you can use client.api.accounts.list to list your Twilio accounts. Finally, run your script from the terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of your accounts displayed in the output. If you encounter any errors, double-check your account SID and auth token for accuracy. Completing these steps verifies that you have successfully accessed the Twilio API using your console auth credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.